itsmepee, and I'm back with another video. If you're new here, hey, how you doing? Welcome to the P Made family. If you're not, thank you so much for coming back. We appreciate all of y'all. Let's get straight into this unboxing. Oh, you thought it was two? It's one. Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna unbox that separately. Watch to the end of this video to see exactly what that is. But right now, we are about to unbox the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Let's get into it. I'm so excited to be editing this video right now, y'all. I'm so happy to have this camera. I have had it now for a little over a month, so I do have some insight on how I feel about the quality of this camera. If you would like to hear more, please don't forget to like, comment, share this video with somebody, because everybody on YouTube have a community tab now, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So I'm not going to dig into the full specs of this camera. I'm not going to act like I know everything about cameras, but I have been using cameras for a very long time. Y'all know I'm a 90s baby, and we were using the one-shot cameras that you bring back and get the pictures developed. And my mom also bought a camcorder. I don't even know if they call cameras camcorders no more, because it's a camera and a record. So I have been using that since like 7 years old. Just having fun doing family videos. So I've always had a love for cameras. Beyond that stage, when I made it to college, me and my mom did a lot with real professional cameras like this one. And yeah, I really fell in love with it even more then. So you do have to have like a comfortable vibe with cameras before you just go ahead and purchase one, especially one that has a ticket price like this one. This camera kit is $5.99 right now at Best Buy. It's regular $6.99, and it comes with the battery. As you see here, it came with a battery cap. Also came with the super cute strap that everybody knows and loves for their camera. I was so excited to just have this, y'all. It's been so long since I had a professional camera in my hand, and I've been on YouTube now 3 years, so it is time for me. I feel like we have grown to 12,000 subscribers, and why not give you all the best quality content that I can? This right here is the battery rechargeable little pack thing, y'all. I'm not coming with the perfect words for everything. I just want to show y'all how the camera looks. And the big camera reveal, you guys. Stick around to the end of the video, because I will open up the lens. Kids, y'all loud. I will be opening up the lens and connecting the lens, showing you all how the inside of the camera looks without the lens attached. So stick around to the end of this video. And yeah, y'all, this is the camera. It's so beautiful. It's heavy but still light, and that's what I like, because it feels like quality even with the lens attached. It's a pretty good weight, y'all. Be prepared to feel the difference. Of course, from your phone, it's a very big difference, but I'm totally in love. It does have the little feature where you can open up the screen and see everything. You can turn the screen around to the front. I'm about to show you now how you can flip it, and it's nice and seamless. It doesn't feel like it's about to break, but I do suggest you take very good care of this. I've literally not used my camera this way with the screen flipped backwards like that. I don't know why I didn't do it, but probably because I always end up turning my camera around to some vlogging, so yeah, that's probably why. But that's a good way to use the camera. So y'all, here is the lens. It is a mirrorless zoom lens, 15 by 45 millimeters. I have not dug into the difference in lenses and the qualities, but this is a kit lens that as everyone has called it. It's a kit lens. It came with two different caps. a cap for each side to protect the lens in the case of you switching, because you can buy a different lens and attach to this camera, which is really, really good, y'all. So some of the features that I thought was awesome is that you can go live with this camera. So you connect to your Wi-Fi. You can also send pictures from your camera to your phone. So right here, I'm just setting the scene, giving y'all a little look of how big it is. I'm just trying to show y'all like the size versus my hand versus the little items on my table versus the box. Really nice, really good quality, y'all. Shout out to Canon, shout out to Best Buy. One last thing, I did purchase the Total Tech plan. So if anything happens to my camera, I can take it to the Geek Squad at Best Buy, have it worked on, get anything that I need for it, and it'll be for a big fraction of the cost, if not free. So I did purchase that. I have 3 little kids. You just never know what happens, y'all. So I'm glad I have that security with my camera. But this is the other view. I'm just giving y'all some different angles of it. You can attach a microphone and different details about this camera that I still need to learn about. And I will do another video if you all would like. So y'all please get this video to 30 likes, y'all. 30 likes and some comments. I'll do another video going into more detail on the camera. But until then, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. It's still not over. I'm about to attach the lens. I'm about to show y'all how everything looks. It's so cute. Do y'all see how it looks with the cap on? It's so techy. I love tech stuff. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Share this with a YouTuber. If you're a small YouTuber, trust in your camera that you have. Trust in whatever you have, your phone. If you have a different model camera, trust in that. I'm not here to tell you run out and get a camera right now today, because I made it very far with 3 iPhone 8s, yo. I went from, I have 2 iPhone 8s and the iPhone SE. That's what I've been recording on all my previous content. Even this video right here was created with my iPhone 8. So that was just my little BTS of how everything was looking, what I was doing, y'all. So yeah, that's the end of this video, y'all. I'm super excited. I hope y'all continue to support us as much as y'all have so far, and I hope y'all continue to support even more in the future. And I'm just so grateful to have this. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next video. And I don't know if y'all caught it, but I forgot to tell y'all that the other item that I will be unboxing is an iPad.